This is not for when you're driving, okay? You got to pay attention to your driving, so be safe. Try it at a red light. This is all about changing where your muscular holding is keeping you stiff. That's where that's where the amnesia is. That's where your system has normalized these holding patterns. The muscles have no will of their own. There is no muscle memory. Let's eliminate that myth. There's only nervous system activation. The muscles have no will of their own. They're the loyal workers doing what the control system is telling them to do. Your control system is normalized your tension holding pattern and your holding habit. Well, how can you change your hidden tension habit? You got to amplify it so it's not hidden anymore. You've got to go into it and pandiculate it. We're just contracting it, sort of yawning like a pleasurable contraction. Slow, a super slow relax allows you to teach your brain to say, oh, we can move the tension from this low part of the brain back up to this high part of the brain where we have our voluntary muscle control. Humans have dual control of our musculature. It can run automatically, and also you can switch it to manual control. Where we lose the ability to have it in under our manual control, that's where we get stuck. Your brain learns it and says, "Oh, I'll just run it all the time." And then the problems, the pains and aches and pains you're having, they're the boiling over. We're not just trying to pandiculate those. We're going deeper to free the root holdings, which are the holdings of your breathing. Where is the breathing constricted? Could be pulling like that, shoulders back behind you, let it relax. Could hunch over and the hands are pushing down. They can help your brain understand how to let the front relax. We can do these oblique angles. We can do twisting just with a steering wheel. I invite you to be creative and even can you go further than I've gone? Let me know if there's some other way to do it. Let me know what you discover. Where are you stiff? Can you change it? Go gentle, not stretching. Teach it how to relax. I'm Eric Cooper. I teach advanced movement teachers how to take these very complicated problems that clients present with and see it in such a simple way that they're able to help the client make a miraculous change. If you're interested in that, I have workshops. I'm also going to have some workshops for people who are not professionals, but people who know at least the basics of what I teach. If you're interested in that, let me know. I'm Eric Cooper, inspiresomatics.com. Blessings on your journey.